Light, nimble, and built to explore, Honda's CRF150L is back for 2026, and it's better than ever. Whether you're a beginner hitting trails for the first time or just want a reliable dual sport for everyday fun, this bike might just be the sweet spot. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we keep you up to speed on the latest rides, without the hype. Design. The 2026 CRF150L keeps its rugged dual sport look, but with a few subtle updates. New graphics give it a fresher, more modern feel, and the LED lighting front and rear boosts both visibility and style. The slim bodywork and high ground clearance scream off-road capability, while the seat height and ergonomics still stay friendly for newer riders. Performance. Powered by a proven 149 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the CRF150L won't win any drag races, but that's not the point. This bike is all about control, confidence, and fun, especially on the trail. The 5-speed gearbox is smooth, and the throttle is responsive without being twitchy. It's an ideal setup for weekend rides, light commuting, or just learning the ropes off-road. Features and tech. For 2026, Honda has added a digital dash with updated info layout, including a gear indicator, finally. Suspension is long travel and tuned for real off-road use, with an inverted front fork and a ProLink rear shock. There's also improved braking feel this year, thanks to a refined caliper setup and better bite at both ends. Conclusion. The 2026 CRF150L stays true to its roots, light, reliable, and built to handle a bit of everything. It's not flashy, but that's part of what makes it such a solid pick for everyday riders and trail lovers alike. If this sounds like your kind of ride, drop a like, comment below with your thoughts, share with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, straightforward motorcycle content. Catch you on the trail.